Okay, people, I know it seems kind of crazy. We're outside in front of Wilford Hall, and you can see all of these fine citizens here who have also heard this cat crying inside of this Mercedes. Most people are familiar with the purr of an engine, but this is a real purr inside of here, and we're going to try and get down to the business here. We're going to pop this hood here.
It's on the side, honey's on the side. Oh my gosh, seriously?
Yeah.
You pop it?
Sorry, I had a can of food out.
You got it from my neighborhood, you think?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh shit, hold on, no, you know, for the kid, I'm like, oh my god.
You may have
I should have grabbed some. I should have grabbed some of my medic stuff. Yeah. And don't set your alarm off.
There she is.
Oh, it's a kitten.
Oh my goodness.
Got her on?
Oh, she's going down. No.
She's down there by the tranny. I know. She's right underneath those belts.
Wow, she would have gotten
Feel her, she's right there. Oh, she went farther back.
You want some cat food on your hand? I don't think so.
Oh my
Come on, buddy. Well, maybe if we leave it up.
She'll slink her way back up. She cried.
Her head looks okay from. Come on.
You want me to get my hand in there? It's skinnier.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, little one.
Like I'm like it's gonna come to me. Well,
Yeah.
I was like, hey, that sounds like my car. I'm like, wait, I'm getting ready to go. I'm like, and God forbid, how long has it been in there?
They heard it right as I came out. And they heard it crying. I was like, what? And I walked over, and sure enough, I heard this thing crying.
Let me see where I have my neighborhood. The back part has a lot of cats. So, like, and this is from Stone Oak.
Wow.
So I live in Stone Oak, so I'm like,
All the way from up there.
yeah. So I said, oh my God, when did he get in there? The only thing is, last night I left my car out because my husband was painting doors. So maybe last night it got in. And I usually park in the garage.
That's funny.
You didn't notice the purr of your engine sounded a lot different?
It was kind of quiet. It was riding smoother. No, I'm kidding. No, not even, because I would have heard you.
Are you able to get a grip on her?
Yeah, I've got her. Just don't, she doesn't
Look, I don't even want to seriously look at
Come on, buddy.
I'm a little punk. I will. I'm like, I'm a private.
get her scrubbed.
I was like, okay, where? Look, you said in my trunk. I was like, no, it's there.
Yeah, I thought it was on the side.
That's what I was like. So I said,
Oh.
I got you.
Oh! It's a birth.
it's a Mercedes car.
Her name's Mercedes. Oh, look.
With her name of Mercedes.
The question is are there more in there that followed her in there?
It didn't sound like
She looks pretty good. I should grab my medic bag, give her a flush, give her some fluids.
I think she needs some.
No, don't.
She needs some TLC.
Sorry, baby, I didn't hear you this morning. I swear I did not.
Oh, how adorable. A Russian blue with satin green colors.
You know, we kind of have in my neighborhood is a white one. There's a black one. Look, there's a look.
Maybe you would like her. Oh, I would love her, but I can't.
That's these pictures, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
When I got my cut Duchess, that's how much she was. So I love her. She's making her face. She's getting big chunks of food.
Like I have
How is it, buddy? It was. I bet it was crazy in there. Man, imagine riding in my Ford Escort. I'm disappointed in you eating kittens.